Why?
Okay, so half a cup of white
Vinegar?
vinegar.
Vinegar.
Quarter cup
water.
of warm water. Okay, zip it up halfway.
Oh, yeah, that's hot. Ouch. Make it a little jiggly jaggly.
Mix it up a bit.
Okay.
Okay, you hold this and I will zip it up, because that's where our troubles lie. Getting this thing zipped up on time. Honey, look at the screen.
Oh.
Hand it back to me, okay? Alright, leave it. Give it a little shake. Okay, there you go.
It's gonna be big.
There, it's blowing up, releasing carbon dioxide. And the camera's upside down. Woo!
That scared me.
Yay! Ah, exciting.
So exciting.
The world of science. Now I'll have to do something artistic with these wasted bags.